Hey George and the rest of HVAC services. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made this short video for you guys, which will show you 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, no worries. I'll get right into it. I'll try to keep the video short. So 3 things I want to talk to you about today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So as you can see, I'm on your homepage right now. When I say content, I mean everything that's on here, from the pictures, words, videos, all that stuff. So I see you got a nice website here, pretty clean, a lot of clickable content, and nicely spaced out, easy to read. So I'd recommend you have at least 1,500 or more words on this homepage right here. That's just a great way to rank on Google and basically outrank your competitors. So have at least 1,500 or more words on this homepage right here. Now, secondly, I want to talk about content. Sorry, citations will be my second one. So I've gone ahead, done a little quick search on Google, and I'll show you how the format of Google works really quickly. This is also what customers see. So the first thing you'll see is these 3 boxes on top. This is called the Google Guaranteed section. This is a paid ad through Google where you got to go through a verification process, and once approved, you're allowed to place an ad in this top section right here. It's great because it's the first thing customers see, and it also gives really strong leads. Second, we move on to the traditional Google ads, which are a hit or miss depending how they're placed. If they're placed properly, yeah, you can get good leads from there. If they're placed improperly, it'll just be a big money pit. And in 2020, a lot of people download something called an ad blocker, which will not allow them to see all this. But like I said, companies still like to do these. And if placed properly with a good offer and the correct keywords, yeah, definitely you can get some good leads there too. Moving down, we go to the map pack. In this section, I'll explain to you what a citation is. So a citation is any website out there which allows you to put in your business information, such as your name, address, and phone number. So as you can see on the map pack, they only show the top 3 listings, and this is definitely a place where you want your company to be showing up at. So they show the name, address, website, hours of operation, all the good stuff. After that, we go down to the section which is called the organic. Here you'll see some national directories like Yelp and maybe like expertise.com. But apart from that, it'll be all websites which have organically ranked, or rather outranked, their competitors and made it to the first page of the Google search. The last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which is giving a link to your website. Basically, that can mean you can get traffic from there, or they can give you keywords as well. So I use this tool called AHrefs. It's a really good tool. It's a paid service, but they provide really good information for me to look at and assess the performance of a website. So as you can see, I've put in your information right here, and I can see how your website is doing. So it looks like you have 62 referring domains, giving you 355 backlinks, giving you 428 keywords, netting you guys around 885 organic traffic per month, meaning people visiting your site per month. To put this into context, I've gone ahead and opened up another competitor, top competitor in New York City, and this is what their numbers look like. So as you can see, it's a significant difference. They've got 826 referring domains, giving them 4,200 backlinks, giving them 7,800 keywords, and bringing them visiting their website per month. So that was just to get a little comparison for you. This is yours. So boosting all these numbers, it's very doable, and we specialize in this, as well as all the stuff I mentioned earlier as well. Back on your website, I want to keep the video short and sweet. That's all I had for you today. I hope this video was educational for you and you found it to your liking. And if you'd like to know more about what NYC marketers can do to help you grow your business online, please give me a call. I'd love to chat with you. If not, no worries. I hope you like the information you got today for free. And I just ask that if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.